We live in a world full of convenience, in the form of qualitative packaging that needs to be standardized, meet consumer demands, and has to be optimized for storing and transport. You provide this convenience to the customer, but who will provide the convenience for you? Meet Madern. As a global supplier partner in custom-made rotary tooling and converting solutions, we make sure your packaging processes and output match the nano accuracy which the market demands. Thanks to our long history and intensive collaboration with our customer community, we combine knowledge in state-of-the-art packaging solutions to support your cost-efficient production process in the best way possible. Whether it is a custom-made rotary machine component or a complete converting machine, as long as we can enable you with premium quality standardization and efficiency solutions that guarantee your lead in cardboard packaging. The only path to comply to these high standards is our firm foundation of dedicated engineers and technicians. They provide an absolute focus on quality and reliability, eager to help you with all your packaging challenges. From installation and training to maintenance, we ensure that you can stay focused on your core business, providing the world with the best possible packages. Madern, here to invent, create, and implement all your cardboard packaging solutions that help you compete and be efficient.